Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel named Gaurav Kumar Jain. First of all, thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial and for checking out this video. So in this one, I'm going to show you this CV and NLP based project. So how it works, let me show you that first before explaining you the code. So if I'll bring my hand in front of the camera, it will be able to detect it. And if I'll show my first finger to the camera,
It's one on the window. 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 It's two 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 on the window. It's three on the window. It's three on the window. It's three on the window. It's four on the window. It's four on the window. It's four on the window. It's five 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 on the window.
So this is how the project works, and I have used some NLP and CV based libraries in this project. Let me show you the entire code so that you guys can also develop it at your end. So that's the library which is helping me in accessing the device's camera. Then we have something called CV zone, which I have used in the previous computer vision based projects. If you guys have checked those projects, you must be knowing about this library. So with this, I'm able to help
It's
my
three on the window.
project in detecting my hand, right? Then we have this library called speech recognition, which is actually helping the project in recognizing and accessing the microphone of the device. Then we have something called pyttsx3, which is again an NLP based library, which is helping the project in converting everything written in text into the audio format. PY audio is producing the sound. So these are the libraries I've used in this project. Then that's the code which I'm using for creating this frame in which my video is right now visible to you guys. So this project works for both the hands. If I'll bring my left hand in front of the camera, then
It's five on
also
the window.
I'll get the
It's
output,
five on the window. It's two on the window.
right?
It's two on the window.
So it's
It's two on the
working for
window.
both the hands right now. Let me quickly close this code. Yeah, so this is the code with which I'm able to, with which my project is able to detect both the hands. Then there is a function I've defined which the interpreter calls every time when it detects the hand. And if some fingers are up, if suppose there are two fingers of the hand which I have in front of the camera are up, then the CV zone then the interpreter will execute this line of code, which will give two on the window, which will give two on the window like this. Let me show it to you. I'm writing the code again just to make you understand about this line of code I have used here. So if the if I'll bring my right hand or left hand in front of the camera with two fingers up, I'm going to see two on the window like this.
It's two on the window. It's two on the window.
So this two which you just saw over here on this window, it is coming from this put text function I have used here, right? Then every time this condition will become true, interpreter will execute these two lines of code. So it is going to put the text on the window, as well as it is going to execute this function also. It is going to call this function also, right? So that's how I have coded this whole application. If you also want to learn to code these beautiful computer vision, NLP, artificial intelligence based projects, do contact me on my number. It's there in the description section. Thank you very much for joining me at this time in this tutorial. Hope you guys like this project a lot. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead. Keep supporting the channel, keep supporting me.